Everyone, welcome to How to Do Technology. Today we're going to see what is the arrow function of ES6. So let's start this video. An arrow function is a new way to create functions using equal and greater than operators. So you will need equal and greater than operators for create arrow functions. The arrow function is a shorted syntax for create functions in JavaScript. Also, arrow functions are anonymous functions. That means that the function do not have name. So let's see one example. If I will declare one arrow function, but for now I will declare my function variable here, my function, and then equal to an arrow function. Then I am going to declare the syntax of the arrow function. So I need one pair of one parenthesis here. So in that parenthesis, I will insert all my parameters that the function will need. Let's see, one parameter, let's see, name. This is one parameter. Then greater equal or greater than, and then I will open a pair of braces here. So this is my arrow function. This is the syntax. So it's like what I will insert my parameters in the place or parentheses, and then equal and greater than. This is like an arrow, and then here I will have my code inside, my logic. But here, if you see, I am declaring like let my function. This is just like a reference to that function. So let's see, here I will say return. So this function will have like a return, and then hi, then name. I am using the parameter that I am passing here, like this, and then I can call my function that is the reference to that function, and then I will pass let's see, Christina here. Just I'm consoling the result that I am returning here. So I will have hi Christina. So okay, let's see here, hi Christina. Okay, what else? Look this, if the function only have one statement inside of this pair of braces here, it's not necessary to insert return, and also it's not necessary to insert this pair of braces, only if I have one statement here. It's only. So let's see, I can delete this, and I can delete the return here, and this will be the same result that I have with the past code. So let's see, Rojas, that is my last name. So hi Cristina Rojas is the same. So hi Cristina Rojas. So this is only if you have only a statement inside of the pair of braces. Okay, so let's see other thing about arrow functions. The keyword of this in arrow functions. So the value, let me delete this. The value will be the same as the value of this of the enclosing scope, the global scope of the function scope, where the arrow function is defined. So let's see, in traditional function, the this keyword will refer to the context object. Let's see one example to clarify this definition. So if I have one object, my object, let's see here, and then here I open the object here, okay, and I have one property that is name, Christina, for example, and then I have like traditional function or method inside this object that is my function, like this. Then I have function, then it's the traditional way to create functions, like say function, and then I am console log this. Let's see how this refers, and then I'm going to return this dot name, okay, like this. So I want to see what this have in this context of my object. So let's see what console log that my object, like this, then my function, I'm going to execute this method that I have here inside my object. So my object dot my method here, and I am executing this method. So I will have the console, and actually this that name. So let's see. So I have the console, so this referred to the context of that object. So all of that information or properties or method that object have. And actually I am returning this name, that is the property of that object. So this have all of the properties of the object, so name and actually my function. Okay, so this here refers to the context of this object using traditional functions. But what happens if I have like arrow function like this? I am deleting the word function, and I need to equal and greater than like this, and I'm going to have the same, my object, that is this my object, and then my function, I'm calling this just the reference to that function here, and then it's the same. I want to know which context is saving this with arrow function. So let's see. Okay, here I have, if you see, I have window context. So, and then the window have a lot of properties and methods there, but this with arrow function refers to the value of enclosing scope. So the enclosing scope here of this my object is the window objects. That's the reason that with this, using arrow functions refer to the window object because refers to the enclosing scope. The enclosing scope is the window object, that enclosing of this parent object. Okay, and that's the reason that I am not like returning nothing, because this is window and I don't have like property name in window, so this is not going to work like this. Other difference between arrow function is that we cannot use as object constructors. That means we cannot use the new keyword when we are using arrow functions. So okay, this is the end of this video, and thank you for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and then you will see more videos that I upload in the future, and you will be the first person that you will see the video. So please thank you, and please subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.